Let's face it, each and every day is the exact same thing. I wake up in the morning, I drink some coffee, I eat a small breakfast, and I head to work. When I come home from work, I kiss my wife goodnight and go to sleep. The next day, I wake up, drink some coffee, eat a little breakfast, and head to work. I come home from work, kiss my wife goodnight, and go to sleep. Each and every day, this was my life. I hated my job. I hated my boss. I hated my coworkers. The only reason I went to work was to pay the bills. See, over 10 years of my life, I went to work every single day. One day, the company went belly up, and my boss let me go. Desperately trying to find some type of work to pay the bills, I thought all hope was lost. Then I found out about affiliate marketing. You see, I have watched many videos all over the internet of successful affiliate marketers making millions of dollars each and every year. They are still working, but you see, the type of job they're working doesn't require a manager, a boss, a supervisor. See, they have now become their own boss. I wanted that life. So I searched all over the internet, every website, every social media network, every video, and there was few and far. You see, every affiliate marketer, or every successful affiliate marketer that is, doesn't really tell you everything. They may give you a couple of tips. They may give you a little bit of advice, but they won't really tell you how to do it. You see, many of these successful marketers already have a following. They're making their money. So what do they care if you succeed or not? See, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for a visitor or a customer. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to bring the product to the customer. If that customer decides to buy, you earn a commission. And in doing so, you can make a lot of money. After looking all over the internet and browsing through hundreds of programs and courses and ebooks and seminars, I finally found one that works. This affiliate marketing program is called the 12-Minute Affiliate. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. But believe me, this will probably be the best decision of your life. If you'd like to know more, go to the link below and read how to finally become successful.